what brought you to Jan Term?
I was very interested in the setting, certainly. I have been here before, but always for shorter periods of time and also always in the summer. So to have an experience during the winter time was appealing, but more than anything else, the broad spectrum of programs that are offered, and to be able to spend 3 weeks with instructors who I have discovered and reaffirm are very passionate about what they are doing. Yes. It's a very unique experience.
And how do you feel coming to a close of your 3 weeks? What have you gained from being here?
The course I chose was on pottery, and we have 2 wonderful Native American instructors. I had never done ceramics before, or pottery for that matter, but I was always interested in doing it. So I certainly learned a lot about the basic ideas of pottery, but also that very deep and personal experience of understanding how Native Americans, and particularly individuals from Pueblos around here, approach the making of pottery within the context of their culture.